So let's look at the actual equipment that we suggest for making these screencasts. There's really not a lot, I guess, you need to get going. These are the three sort of main ones we identified. I think Tom mentioned in the chat he just used his laptop with a headset. I don't know, Tom, if you want to just share in the chat what sort of recording software you use, or whether you just use the camera app on your laptop or something, that'd be good to know a little bit more. But these are the main options that we feel most people will have access to one of these particular devices. So option one is your laptop with a headset. Obviously, the headset makes the audio quality a bit better, and helps you focus sort of on your recording when you're actually making it. I don't know if everyone has their headsets or not, but you can use kind of, if you've ever got a sort of smartphone, they usually come packaged with a little headset microphone or earbuds, and those usually work very well as well. So you don't need a full headset if you don't have one. If you have, if Karen, you mentioned the sort of built-in webcam on a laptop, they work fine. And if that's all you've got, then it'll be more than suitable. Sometimes they can have a slightly funny angle, depending on where your laptop is positioned, where they kind of look a little bit up your nose. At least they do when I try and use them. But positioning your laptop a little higher might help you fix that particular issue. I myself use a desktop, like in option 2. So I've got in my house, I've got my desktop computer with an external webcam, which I use to make screencasts with a standard headset as well. But just to make you aware, there are some things you can do even just with your mobile or tablet. Like if you want to make a talking head video, you can just use the camera app on your phone to record yourself speaking. That's a fairly quick and easy way of producing sort of little screencasts, or you can get some little software that records your screens on these devices as well. But that sometimes gets a little bit more complicated and requires some third-party software. Shyam, I don't know what the best sort of external webcam to suggest is. I know that the university tends to buy these little Microsoft LifeCam things that work very nicely, and they got good integration with Teams and everything. They're pretty simple.